Box unboxing of the BT08 Blue Storm Armada. Let's go. Wrong key, let's try again. There we go, that's better. Let's rip this open. Alright, that's moving on to these packs. Please do not disappoint me. But then again, Destiny has a way to screw me over, which it has already done by giving me all sorts of cards I don't. So first pack, here we go. We have one art. Thank my lord. Second pack. One art. Third pack. Oh, triple R. Oh, hello. Not bad, not bad. Destiny may be telling me something else because so far it hasn't given me a single Tachikaze. And one R. Basil is very important, is it? Basil?
Yeah.
What about this guy? One art. And one art. There we go. One art. So far one foil. Let's see what the remaining of the 15 pack says. We have one double R. Human unknown. Dimension Police. You gotta be kidding me. It's bullshit. Human.
No, for Musketeers I think they are called
Bioroids, yeah. I believe they are. One double R again. War Beast. No. No, this is wrong. This is wrong.
The Musketeers are all called Bioroids. So
okay. One art. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. One art. He got an SP? No SP? One art. Come on. Don't fail me now. Double R. Bioroid. I got Bioroid. Okay. Alright. I'll take it. It's at least as a musketeer. Severely lacking in musketeer section. One art. And one more pack. The 15th. One art. One musketeer. Yeah, not bad. One.
But I don't know lah. My box I got only 4, 5.
One art. Come on. Tachikaze, new nectar. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me. One double R.
Bye.
Okay.
I'm asking you to form Aqua Force. Asking you to form Dimension Police.
No, please don't. Dimension Police, leave me alone. Oh, hell no. SP.
Serious?
I got an SP.
Up. 7, I think is.
Holy shit. I got 2 Bazils in one box. One SP, one double R. Oh, one triple R, sorry. How do I feel? I'm having very mixed feelings right now. I'm not looking for Aqua Force. I'm not looking for Great Nature. No Dimension Police. I want Tachikaze or Neo Nectar. Aqua Force, I might just keep it, but oh man, you gotta be shitting me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more 4s to go. So that wait. If that's an SP, then it's a triple R is gone. Oh Oh shoot. Okay. 1 art. Okay, that means come on.
Oh, 你第二个box。Oh, this is the first box 啊。
Come on, 1 art.
哇 Then tell you got SP already.
Yeah. There we go. 2 more foils. 2 more foils. 2 more foils. Let's put this aside. 1 art. Okay. It's not bad. I mean, Basil's highly sought after, so. 1 triple R. Maelstrom.
SP 啊。
Oh my god.
没有，他 SP 已经有了，不知道
这
在
SP 啊，哇。
If SP, the 2 SPs in 1 box, I'd be like amazed. What? You know, Destiny might be telling me to build Aqua Force deck,
如果你出啊，
but no perfect guts. That's a problem. 1 art.
我去答对了。我给你一中那个 Sapphire， 我给你去。
Nope. Come on. 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 No have. We got 1 more foil to go. 1 more. 1 more. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Come on. 1 art. Last 2 packs. This is the second last one.
你买几个呀？
1 art. Oh, it's the last pack. Oh. Let me try something.
喂，你要什么？
Okay.
再跟我。啊，buy box 或 SP。
Come on. What do I get? Double
Buy
R.
right.
Yay! Not so bad. Okay. Okay. Alright. So we have 2 of the same cards. And 1 Maelstrom. I'm confused. I have no perfect guards. So I have no idea what the deck is trying to tell me. But we'll see what the 3rd box is. So see you guys.